So dry, so dull. Really need to do something to freshen it up. Oh yes, let's try all new VEGA 3-in-1 Facial Cleanser. It comes with 9500 sonic vibrations and hypoallergenic food-grade soft silicone bristles that delivers a gentle cleansing and exfoliating and massaging experience. It has 2 silicone brush surfaces, one for cleansing and the other for exfoliation and massaging with up to 10 adjustable vibration speed settings to provide a customized facial care experience. All you have to do is just switch on and start cleansing like a pro. It also features a smart auto timer function that automatically turns off after 90 seconds of use and is IPX6 washable that makes cleansing the cleanser an easy process for you. And there you go! Getting healthy and happy looking skin is now made easier with VEGA 3-in-1 Facial Cleanser.